Welcome, here I've got EssentielB HeYou60 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we tap to this button we get access to our aspect ratio. We are in 4 and 3, let's move to 16 and 9. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how to use it. Another tap to the left corner and let's move to 1 and 1, so the square one. And when we tap here once again, we can get access also to the full aspect ratio, full camera frame. And of course, when you tap here again, you can pick whatever you need. Now let me go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.